today we have another Vic-20, and it's lighter than most because it has no keyboard. And it is seriously yellow. It's funny how different it is. Look at the back. Isn't that beautiful? And then, I mean, you can see here, it's like it's got it was sitting in the sun, or sitting under a light or something consistently, because it's got the shadow of the keys. Oh well. Now, it does look like everything is here in terms of chips. It is an older Vic-20 with 2 prongs, or the 2-prong connector. It is, which means, of course, to test it, we need one of the original power supplies. And I have such a thing right here. I'm just going to find the end of it. Now, the power is off. The plug is in. I see no smoke. I see no flames. I'll turn it on. Well, it flashes. See if I can get this thing out of these. Okay, there it goes. Whoa. Yeah, there's a chip in there. Ooh, it's hard to get those things back on. Wow. Anyway, we do have a flash, but that's all. So it is acknowledging, I mean, something is happening. What's happening now? I don't know. Let's put in a mega race. And will this do anything? Probably not. And you know what? I can't even, at this moment, hit the... It's got this little shield here. There it is. And sometimes they get floppy. Yeah, I think... I don't think we're going to get far with this one. Let's just look at the bottom. 193,801 made in the USA. So, we do have a flash. Let's just see. Do we have the power light when it's in? We do have the power light when it's plugged in. But we have no keyboard. And it is ugly yellowed. Actually, you know what? May not. Something happened. Oh. Sometimes, of course. Oh yeah. Sometimes the power connector can, you know, from being pulled in and out so many times, can be a little weird. I'm not convinced this is the actual original top for this, because the top, as you see, is very, 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 very yellowed. And the bottom has some dirt, has some grime, but it's not bad. Well, did yellowed? No. 2-prong. By the way, I did get somebody who wrote to me to tell me that indeed the later Vic-20s, that when they switched over the power supply, they do use both voltages, which of course makes sense. Why would they switch over if they didn't need both voltages? So anybody who thought they could run a Vic-20 on a half-dead 64 power supply, I don't think so. Alright, so one thing about machines without keyboards, they're lighter. Anyway, the bin over beside me is getting more than full. If you'll just set this one down. Not in the other bin, but beside it, where it can be out of the way, so we can look at something else. So that might be Vic-20 number, maybe it's number 18. Anyway, but it's not working. But parts are always good, and who knows? It could be just one little chip. I don't know of a typical Vic-20 failure, although a fellow just recently sent me a spreadsheet that is supposed to help in diagnosing problems. I should, at some point, I mean, I looked at it and it looked pretty, you know, oh yeah, that makes sense, about a lot of the things, but I haven't actually followed it to see where it leads yet. But there is still time. So, thank you for coming. We will look at another machine soon. Probably a Vic-20, maybe a 64. I'm not just sure. I have many to go through and sort and figure. Comments are always welcome. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.